Hello shooters. I wanted to share a quick tip with you that we use here at Heritage Farms. As we all try to improve our shooting skills, we use different techniques and we learn different skills. In my experience, this has been the most effective tool in improving my shooting. I want to show you how we measure groups here at Heritage Farms. I've seen 2 or 3 different techniques, and there's no right or wrong, but as long as you do it consistently every time, this tool can be effective. We measure from outside to outside of the 2 farthest shots. We're looking at a 5-shot group shot with a 17 HMR. Outside to outside, we're measuring .604. That's 604 thousandths, a little over half an inch. Whether this be a 22, 308, 270, the technique is always the same. Find your 2 farthest shots, the widest point in your group, measure from outside to outside. Then we're going to take just a little bit of math and we're going to figure exactly what this group size is. Now what we're trying to achieve is to find the 2 center points, the point of impact of the 2 farthest shots. If I do it with this tool, approximately .439. But I'm going to show you how we do it with the math also. Alright shooters, we're back. And I want to show you how we finish up this equation. Simple math. We're going to subtract the diameter of the bullet from our group size. This is an average 17 HMR. We only want to measure the diameter of the bullet, not the casing. 170 thousandths is the common figure you'll find. The projectile's widest point. Then we'll simply take our group outside figure of 604 thousandths, subtract 170 thousandths, and we have an actual group of .434, just under a half inch, 434 thousandths. This is the same procedure used regardless of what size ammo. If we were to take a common 22 long rifle, measure the largest diameter, commonly .224. We would take our group size, outside group size, subtract .224, and we would have our actual group size. I hope you guys find this tip useful, and as always, thanks for watching from your friends at Heritage Farms.